Hello bestie, my correct people, my original people. Join me as I pack all my clothes, my dirty clothes, to the laundry. This is me selecting them out. As you can see, I have a section in my wardrobe where I do pack all my dirty clothes. So this is them. I have already brought them out, moving to my washing machine to soak them. Yes. So this is me, my correct people, putting them one after the other, selecting them, because I cannot pack everything inside the washing machine. No, now it's not done that way. This is me putting my omo, yes, my omo for washing, and I have already poured my water. There is water already there. The water is there, and I'm soaking it to make sure that everything entered, and I left it for some minutes so that it can soak before I start washing. This is me cleaning my hand, keeping these ones. After washing the one that I have already soaked, then I will come and wash the bedsheet and every other one. This is when it's being washed. Yes, my correct people, I'm draining right now. This is me draining it out because it has already washed several times. After draining the first water out, I washed again and rinsed. My original people, this is me putting it in a spinning machine. This is where I am transferring my clothes to spinning so that it can dry it, because I don't want it to stay outside for long. So this is me transferring all my clothes inside the spinning machine, and I close it, allow it to spin. Allow it to spin for 2 minutes. This is it spinning. So after spinning, I brought it out. Oh my God, my correct people, right now you can wear this clothes and go out. Yes, you can wear it immediately and go out. Nobody will know that you just wash it. So this is me putting back the remaining ones. Yes, I put back the remaining ones because I cannot pack everything in the spinning machine, spinning section. It's not possible, it cannot enter. So this is me. As this last one was spinning, I was putting in these ones, the remaining ones, remember, because I cannot pack everything together. Now I am done with the spinning section. I'm bringing them out to spread so that it can dry very well. My correct people, this is your baby. Look at me tying wrapper, because at this moment I want to go to bathroom, take my bath. This is me spreading while the other one is there, washing. The other one is there washing. The bedsheet that I put in is there washing and spreading these ones outside for it to dry very well. Although here it was raining, but a little sun came out. It's raining in the morning. In the afternoon, sun came out, so I used the opportunity to wash. Okay, my original people, my correct people, see you guys again in my next video. Have a wonderful day, a joyful day. Don't forget to share and do not forget to follow this page for more videos like this. Bye bye.